This is a triple barrel shotgun 20 gauge. Fantastic for waterfowl, bird shooting. It has 3 barrels. You can stack your choke. It fires really fast. It's awesome. It's fun. No, boom, boom, boom. But there is one that you can do that with. Right here is the switch.
Hold on, Angie.
Anything target over there, we'll just blow it up. The first green one. Little green one. Nope. Yeah. Nice. No. If you see, I don't mind following regulations.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know exactly the design. The inventor is here.
It's very cool. That's very, very cool.
This has 40 million views on YouTube.
Yeah,
So and people love hunting with this. It retails for about $14.50. Really good.
that's pretty cool.
And there's a pistol grip version as well.
That's pretty slick. You can get the shots out pretty quick, Ben. You want to try it?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Triple barrel shotgun.
Take a look. Yep. Good. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So you can stack the chokes, wide, medium, and narrow. So it's really, you can. It has a lot of flexibility when it comes to hunting,
That's very cool.
That's epically cool.
Pretty cool, right? So you can stack the chokes, wide, medium, and narrow. So it's really, it has a lot of flexibility when it comes to hunting,